We have compiled most fastest and most crispiest haircut transformation ever. So I think you have to watch this video to learn and you will get the right haircut idea for you. This is gonna be a beautiful haircut transformation for black guys like Afro, low taper, mid taper, lineup, shape of drop fade, mid fade, and lots of other famous haircut among the black guys are included in this compilation. And this video gonna just give you a best haircut idea right for you if you're exploring new haircut. And all of these barbers just got amazing skills, and I really appreciate their work because they are very consistent and they got amazing skills and they are competent. No matter what type of hair you have, no matter what type of haircut you want, these barbers just got you and they will give you whatever you want. Oh my gosh, oh, look at this one. Look at this one. That was just flawless. These haircuts are just satisfying. It's really love to watch that type of transformation. Wow, that was the craziest haircut transformation. Love it. I love it. The most precise haircut according to their face shape. It's really important to get a haircut that will suit your face shape, and that's why I really love that barber because they are able to give you a haircut according your face shape and according your hair type. And it's really hard. It's not easy. Not every barber can do that. Guys, if you wanna part of our YouTube channel, you can just submit your haircut transformation at barbermasters@gmail.com, and just submit your haircut transformation, and we will just feature you in our channel, and we will upload your transformation. And you can also give us a link your Instagram video or wherever you just upload your transformation. We will just got you and upload your transformation on our channel, and we will also mention you in our description box. Smooth, smooth transformation haircut transformation. And I think this is gonna be a most smoothest haircut compilation video on YouTube. Don't forget to comment your opinion. Your opinion really does matter for us, and you have to just comment your favorite haircut right in this compilation. Yeah, these barbers are just bust. I think these barber are just barbers of this era because they are innovator, and they are innovating some new stuff, and this is very important for guys to have some versatility of hair world, and these barbers are just delivering new stuff on every day. Guys, if you are still watching this haircut transformation, I think you have to subscribe the Barber Max Coach, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get updated for every upcoming video like this one. And don't just keep supporting us. And this is gonna be our last haircut transformation, and we are going to wrap up this video. I hope you had enjoyed all of this greatest haircut transformation. And guys, thank you so much for watching videos. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification to get update for upcoming upload.